Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to create a dashboard in Smartsheet that really wows your boss or clients, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple but powerful steps to building an amazing Smartsheet dashboard, even if you're brand new to the platform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get up and running fast, using templates that make your data not just understandable, but truly impressive. Let's get started right away. First off, it's important to know that the foundation of every great dashboard is great data. You might be thinking, but my data isn't perfect. Don't worry. Smartsheet understands that not everyone has hours to set up beautiful spreadsheets, and that's why they offer templates. Using a template is honestly a game changer, especially if you're crunched for time or just starting out. You'll still end up with a dashboard that looks professional, polished, and tailored to your needs without reinventing the wheel. Alright, so from your Smartsheet home screen, you'll notice a plus or create button. Go ahead and click that. This is your launching point, and it opens the door to all sorts of pre-made solutions. Sometimes the button is just a plus symbol, other times it's labeled, but either way it's your first step. Now this next part is key. Rather than starting from scratch, we're going to use one of those handy templates. So after you click that create button, look for the option that says view all templates. Click into it. You'll find templates for almost any scenario you can think of. Since we want something visually impressive, let's use an example together. In the search bar for templates, type in ITPMO. That stands for Information Technology Project Management Office, and the template by that name comes packed with fantastic dashboard elements like graphs, charts, and summary widgets. It's like peeking into a toolbox loaded with examples of what's possible. Now, when you see the ITPMO template show up, select it. Smartsheet will show you a preview of the whole workspace, including the dashboard. This part is genuinely exciting because you can instantly see how the data comes to life. It's got colorful charts, different types of widgets, and real-time data summaries. The best part, you can make it your own. If you like the overall structure, you can start customizing right away. Swap out the sample data with your own, adjust the charts, change the visuals, and add your company's branding. Or if you're feeling creative, use this as a foundation and build your unique dashboard from scratch, inspired by what you see. Don't worry if it feels like a lot at first. Play around with the different elements, maybe add a pie chart here, a metric widget there. Remember, you can't break anything, changes are easy to undo, and everything is intuitive. Even if you only have a few minutes, you'll see how quickly a dashboard can come together, ready to share with your team, your boss, or that big client. And that's really all there is to it. See how easy that was. You can have a stunning, insightful Smartsheet dashboard ready to go in less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop your questions or dashboard tips in the comments below. I love seeing what you all create. And if you want more tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and good luck impressing your boss and clients with your next dashboard.